Hello. This is a 2016 Toyota Sienna with a Braun ramp. I'll do a little demonstration video on how the vehicle is, point out any items as I come across. Overall, vehicle's in great shape. Only 11,000 original miles. You got just a little scrape there. Good tires all the way around. This is the Braun XT, so you can see that with the steps on the side, lowered just a little bit further than the regular. Got a little bit of scrapes here, and then there's a little dent here. Like I said, overall great shape, just a few dings and dents over on the used vehicle. Okay, so how this works is with the vehicle unlocked, we're going to give a good press onto the right side door slider button. That's going to initiate the door open sequence. Then the ramp's going to come out. The vehicle also kneels down. So what that's doing is compressing the rear shock to make your ramp angle real low. That way even a manual chair can come in. You don't have to use that if you don't want to, and you can actually turn it off by flipping that switch right there. Then once you're inside, we have a regular key. And then this is Toyota's new dash system. So this is on 2015s and aboves. You have a touchscreen up there, tri-zone climate control. So a lot of great features on this car. And then the strap system is here. The vehicle comes with a set of 4 manual straps and seat belt. So these straps lock into the floor here. So you'd have 2 in the front, 2 in the back. So then these tie onto the wheelchair here, and they release right there. So you have 2 up front here, 2 back here, and then that seat belt in the mid row actually buckles in to the one that mounts on the floor here. That way you have it all secured. And then there's straps locations up front there too, because this whole seat comes out on the driver or passenger side. And then if you wanted to, we also have a set of retractors that is a little bit easier to use. So this red release here allows the strap to ratchet in, just like a seat belt. So that's why it's different than the manual one there. And then back here you actually have space for the spare tire. So that's what's underneath here. Got a good amount of cargo room. And then this one has a power liftgate feature. And then to shut the vehicle, you can either hit the Toyota button here, or there's a Braun button here. And that's how that works there. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any questions or if this would work for you. Bye.